blog badge or a badge on your blog. And this is really great for Type A Parent Conference, or if you're attending any conference, you want to kind of show off a little bit of badge bling, and there's some code that you need to install to do that typically. So right now I'm on the Type A Parent Conference 2013 site, and I am under the Badges tab, and I want to install this awesome, let's see, I'm gonna install the PNG transparent background because maybe your blog has a different color other than white behind it. Maybe you have like green or pink or I don't know, blue, and you don't want it to have like a white square behind it, so you want it to transparently show through. So this is the one I always pick. What you're gonna do here is you see the badge. This code down here is something that you need to go ahead and copy and paste. So I'm gonna highlight it. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back over to my blog. All right, so I'm on the Military Spouse Bloggers blog, and I want to put that button right here. You see where I'm pointing? I'm going to put it right here. Well, in order for me to do that, I'm going to need to go into the dashboard, and I'm going to need to go to the widgets section, because that's where all the sidebar and the presentation of the actual main page is located. So I got a little button happy. Let me get over to widgets. It's going, going, going. And what I'm going to do is come over to the primary sidebar. Depending on how you laid out your main page, you probably have a primary and secondary sidebar, which means that you've got the primary sidebar that's probably located to the right, and the secondary is on the left-hand side. For the way that I have Military Spouse Bloggers set up, we have content sidebar. So sidebar, primary sidebar is where I'm going to pop this. And as you see, I had this little text box that says Type A Parent Conference. If you don't already have a text box of where you want to put it, you just need to come down into this available widgets area and grab a fresh text box. So you can just go doop and grab it, drag it up there, and pop it there. You don't have to title the text box. If you do, it's going to show up on your sidebar. If you don't want it to show up, if you don't want to have a title, you don't have to put one. Very easy. Let's say we don't want to put one on this one. What you're going to do is come into this little text box, and you're going to just paste that code. Now, something that a lot of people don't realize is, or they get really upset with, is they don't understand why their button doesn't automatically align in their sidebar. You have to tell it to. And there's a really simple piece of code that you can use called p-align equals, and we're going to say center. And you're going to ask me, Adri, how the heck did you know this? And the honest to God answer is that I Googled it, and that's how I learned it. You want to go ahead and close that code out. So all this little p-align equals center does is say that you want to center whatever code is between this and the close of that paragraph. Okay? And then you're going to save that. And a lot of people think that you just have to know code, like you just inherently have to know it, or you have to be some giant geeky person that just knows, not that there's anything wrong with being a giant geeky person, but you just have to know code. No, you can figure out a lot of little simple things just by getting on Google and digging around. So let's go back. Oh, make sure that you actually save that change or it's not going to pop up. And let's go back and look at the website and see what happened. Boom. Ta-da! Our badge is installed and we are happy campers. So don't forget to install your badge, and if you have any other tutorials you'd like to see, make sure that you leave us a message and we'll record it.